Hi everybody, my name is Ken Kaloji. I'm the CEO and founder of String Automotive Solutions. And every 2 weeks we push a release out to production, which means that we integrate new product features into the dealer positioning system. So I'm going to tell you about two big features that we have going out tonight into the dealer positioning system. So tomorrow morning you'll be able to use them. So first of all, have you ever wondered or wanted to take a look at your traffic on the dashboard by source? In other words, let's look at the time series of a pay-per-click campaign, for example, or of a referral source like cars.com. Well, now you can. So you'll see we have a drop down here. This is again on the dashboard, right? The main page. Scrolling down a bit here to see the time series where you have your traffic, your leads, and your sales. So let's look at traffic. Let's say we want to look at a PPC campaign. Here's all the PPC traffic. Let's pick one. Excellent. So now we can see day by day how that PPC campaign is doing in terms of driving traffic to your site. Very, very cool stuff. And you can do that with anything. Just type in whatever you want in the search box. As long as we're recording it in the DPS, you'll be able to search for it and take a look. So very, very cool stuff. So the second feature that I wanted to talk to you guys about that's being released tonight is in the My Market tab. So you see up here, second tab over, and this is going to address the problem. If you've ever wanted to take a look at your change in market share. Now remember that right now you can take a look at your market share, right, by looking at the registration data. But you have to click zip by zip if you want to actually see what your share is, zip code by zip code. So now we're actually making it easier for you to take a look at your market share. We're heat mapping it. So again, this is going to be the default. You click on registration data. As soon as you go into this tab, it's going to default to the market share change for new vehicles. And if your market share has increased in a zip code, it's going to be in green. And the bigger the increase, the darker the green, month on month, period on period. And if your market share decreased, it's going to be in red. And the darker the red, the bigger the decrease. And anything that's not colored in, any zip code like that, there's going to be no change at all. So either you didn't sell any vehicles, or you sold the same number of vehicles this period that you did last period, like in this case. And any of these are clickable. Click on any zip code. You can see what the market share was last period versus this period. In this case, it's down. In this case, it's up. So pretty simple, pretty cool. It gets you to the areas that you want to focus on right away. No fuss, no muss. And last quick feature, you'll notice that some of these zip codes have dark highlighting. They're in dark black lines. We're now showing you your PMA. If you set that by sliding this all the way to the left, the PMA, you can set it on a zip code by zip code basis. All the zip codes in your PMA will now be highlighted in dark outlines. That way you can see it no matter which section of this you're on. So very, very cool stuff. Thanks for joining us in this little feature update. Hopefully you'll be logging in as soon as these features are implemented, and we'll see you again in a couple weeks. Feel free to reach out, email, phone, what have you, if you have any questions or you want to see more. Thanks a lot.